I know.
Alright, Tyler, here we have Uncle Kenny. What do you have?
That's a red. I can feel the dead weight of them. That's a red. No, it's not. Whoa. Take a video.
I am.
We're not catching any more trout either. Reds are coming there and run them all off.
Real, Uncle Kenny?
I'm trying, Jared. I'm trying. He's just dead weight.
44 is moving more and more through here now. Snap the rugby bait in that trout mouth, I guess. Get the scent out. They must have some kind of smell on them.
Oh God, dude, he's big. It feels like I'm snagged right now, dude. This is
Might be a red.
In the lake with Cormacy!
whatever this is, it is huge.
Yeah! Cormacy, this is a video for you. To the lake.
Just look at him, Jared. Tell me how big he is when you get a look at him.
Real Cormacy.
I'm reeling. Jared, go get the net, just in case. He's gonna run again once he sees his boat. That's it. Oh, that's plate. Big old red. Nice red. Huge red. Big red. Yeah, Jared,
Yeah,
get the
here,
net.
come
Get the
record
net.
this.
Right here, Jared.
No, here, Dad, get the net. I'll record.
Big, pretty red. We can keep him if you want.
Keep him. You gonna clean him?
Yeah, Tyler and I will.
Give him to the coons in the backyard.
Hey, recording all that.
No, I meant the raccoons.
The four-legged.
Jared, obviously.
I'll show Coco this video.
No, you don't.
Give him to the rice boy.
Oh, them rice boys, that'll be a Thanksgiving feast.
He's trying to back up. Never.
Probably why the trout shut off too. The stinking reds moved in.
Oh, he's running again. That's what he's doing. He's running. We gotta take a picture of this.
That's why the trout shut down. Don't let no slack in, you're gonna lose it. It's on that Berkeley Gulp too.
Oh!
Look at it.
Look at that! Cormacy did not.
He's coming in.
Cormacy did not let us down for once. Tyler, when he take the picture, leave the Berkeley Gulp in his mouth.
Oh well.
Like Keith.
Come here. Whatever you do, not go into the boat, fish.
Why do y'all want to keep this big thing?
So we can show everybody at home. So we can.
Oh, look at that, Keith.
Oh yeah.
How you like that?
He's just about the size of one that I caught in